welcome back to Tinkle Lab Steam Project Motor Machines at Home. And today, what are we going to build? Can you guess? We are going to build the balloon boat. Activity number 4 and page number 11. Let's begin. So what we need is the foam board base, the balloon, big balloon, the rubber band from the kit, and a thin short straw. And I have kept all the materials aside. What we will require now is the flat base of the boat and a thin straw. So now this is the balloon boat is all about the angle of the straw. So what I have done is I have dug a thin hole for the straw to fit in. It should be slant. I will just show you. As you can see, they slant. So, and now if you put it here, the pressure of the balloon will release it and put the boat ahead. Our first mechanism is ready. So now what I am going to do is I am going to blow this big balloon, and with the help of the rubber band I will tie it to the straw. So now my balloon boat is ready and I am going to test it. So 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's working! As you can see, with the pressure of air in the water and with the help of the angle, the air blew and it gave a boost to the boat and it ran. Thank you for watching this video and bye.